Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in edits we have a new option that whenever you edit a video you can directly share it in your Instagram stories. So previously there was only an option to post it as a reel. So how to do that I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your edits app, then here you can see the video is edited. We'll click on next. So for now I will save this video. It is getting exported. So once it is done, below you can see there is a stories option which was not there before. So once we will click on that, it will automatically go to your Instagram story, and here you can add whatever you want and you can publish this. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.